Hello and welcome to this special edition of Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara. So in today's Coin Monitor, we are going to discuss why the markets are trading higher, what is the movement in the PancakeSwap, Sui and Phantom, and there are several earnings which are going to bring for you. Let's get started, but before that, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So as we are aware that Bitcoin has turned higher, जहाँ पर एक रिवर्सल हुआ है CPI related tumble का, जब भी हम अगर कल की अगर हम बात करें तो after stumbling to just around $94,000 on Wednesday, followed by the stronger than expected US inflationary data, Bitcoin has reversed higher and climbing to 97,500, although off highs हुआ है थोड़ा सा, and this is the reason why और थोड़ा सा concerns जो था CPI का, market participants ऐसा expect कर रहे हैं कि थोड़े और data points उन लोग देखना चाहते हैं before taking any investment bets. Actually यहाँ पर if we talk about the Bitcoin exchange reserves that have dropped to 3-year low of 2.5 million as demand surges, ये एक बहुत ही positive sign है. Reports have suggested that. उसके दो रीजंस होते हैं. एक तो रीज़न ये भी हो सकता है कि यहाँ पर जो सप्लाई और डिमांड ड्रिवन है, यहाँ पर डिमांड ज़्यादा है एंड सप्लाई यहाँ पर कम है, और ये एक और इंडिकेशन है कि देर आर मेनी लॉन्ग टर्म होल्डर्स ऑफ बिटकॉइन. दिस इज द रीजन वाई उनका जो एक्सचेंज पे जो सप्लाई है वो कम हो गया. और दिस इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग विच कैथी वुड्स ऑफ द आर्क इन्वेस्टमेंट हैज सेड दैट शी सेड दैट इट विल द बिटकॉइन विल रीच $1.5 million. This is, you know, as she has been a real advocate, just like a Michael Saylor, on the back of improving institutional investors, she believes, and given that they have also increased the exposure to the digital assets, according to the ARK Investment CEO Cathie Woods, that the state reserve bills could add up to $23 billion in Bitcoin. जहाँ पर हम हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताते आ रहे हैं, आपको बताते आ रहे हैं कि बहुत सारे यूएस के स्टेट्स हैं जो दे आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स रिजर्व बिल, a bill to add Bitcoin in their reserves. तो उसकी वजह से लगभग 250,000 Bitcoins ऐड होने वाले हैं उनके अकाउंट में to the tune of $23 billion, ऐसा वैनर का मानना है. Ethereum is trading higher by around 5% as CBOE 21 shares seek to add Ethereum staking to the ETFs. This move can eventually benefit all those who are investing in Ethereum ETFs. Our first altcoin is Sui. Sui's network stablecoin market cap has surpassed $500 million, and this is the reason why Sui has jumped by around 8 to 10%. Sonic, which is formerly known as Phantom, has seen an explosive growth with a 15% price surge and 59% jump in the trading volume. If you talk about PancakeSwap, leads a Binance BNB chain reversal, becoming to the top DEX in the 24 hours volume, and its token has actually jumped 57%. So let's talk about certain earnings. To begin with, the Robinhood shares has actually jumped as the Q4 crypto revenue has jumped by 700%, and Hive Digital has clocked roughly around 30 million in Q3 revenues as the Bitcoin hodl position surges. So I mean, they are holding on to their positions, and the CME Group reports have recorded the crypto volumes for the Q4 and on a very higher side. So that is the reason why there is a lot of traction as far as the listed shares of crypto universe is concerned. So let's get started with this technical check. If we talk about Bitcoin, it is hovering in the range of $95,000, and on the upper side $97,200 is the resistance level. There is a strong resistance, and the current market price is close to around $96,000. If you talk about Ethereum, again it is in the tight range. 2,500 is a support level, and on the higher side there are a lot of there is optimism that it might break out even the $3,000 level mark. So going forward, geopolitical tension might take the center stage for the crypto markets going forward. The concerning situation between the Russia and Ukraine, because of the Trump intervening, that can see some respite. क्रिप्टो मार्केट के लिए बहुत पॉजिटिव है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक कंसर्निंग सिचुएशन जो थी वॉर को लेकर वो वेन ऑफ होती हुई दिखेगी, और यहाँ पर लेकर टैक्स रिलेटेड जो टैरिफ रिलेटेड टर्म्स आपका जो अनाउंसमेंट्स है, यहाँ पर अगर कुछ रिस्पाइट, कुछ क्लैरिफिकेशन आएगा, सो दैट कैन हैव अ वेरी 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 पॉजिटिव साइन फॉर द क्रिप्टो मार्केट्स. So that's all there is in this special edition of Coin Monitor. Keep watching Trido TV for more such interesting updates. Thank you.